out and play in the colony?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am, no issue
And
there.
how
On the
many
road,
children come?
I live in that area where it is that road which is not working more. No vehicles are there. That's why we
So
can play
when you
on.
class, while you go out and play.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Here so we can play with protection.
Yes, definitely. It is quite risky touching each other. Okay, try to play games where you don't have to touch anyone.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
just have to speak or something that can be, played without any contact.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good morning, Aryan. Okay, Mansi. Good morning,
Good
beta.
morning, ma'am.
So, what did you do yesterday, Mansi?
Ma'am, yesterday I woke up at 8:30 in the morning, and then I have done yoga with my
Okay.
mom.
So,
And
immediately when you got up, you started doing yoga. You did not brush your teeth.
no, ma'am,
Hmm?
first I brushed my teeth and then started yoga.
Okay. Try to wake
And
at least 15 minutes before the class. Okay.
sorry, ma'am.
I'm asking you to wake up a little, early so that you have a little bit of time before your class starts. You must have been
Yes, ma'am.
sleeping while doing yoga.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what did you do?
Then I have taken bath,
Okay.
and then I have eaten my breakfast with my father, and
What did you have
after
for
that
breakfast?
we were having sandwiches yesterday.
Okay. Then,
Then I used to play with my father, so I was playing with my father,
okay.
and
I played with my father.
I played with my father. Then then I have attained the craft class. We have made some beautiful roses, and uh, and ma'am, and then I have done my homework of holiday homework, and then my mama and mommy came in my house, and then I
Came
was
to my house.
came
You
to my
always
house.
come to. Yeah. Yes. Then.
My mama and mommy came to my house, and then I enjoyed all night with them only, eating dinner
Okay.
with
So
them.
how is your grandmother? Is she
My
feeling better
grand,
now?
actually, my maternal uncle is also living in Lucknow only.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, paternal uncle. So he has taken my grandmother to his house because the hospital is near to his house only.
Okay, that's fine.
So
So I
Mansi,
that's
guess
can
why
you
you
my
send me the video?
visit the
Sorry, send me
hospital,
the
right?
video of that flower you have made yesterday because today I need to attend my craft class now. Yesterday I can't attend my class because I went to doctor on that time also.
At that
okay.
time,
At that time.
Anya, I could not attend. Okay. If you
Okay,
talk in
ma'am.
past tense, then can will become could.
Good.
I could not attend the class yesterday. So please send me the video. I have to present the class in the craft class today.
Today.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please do the needful, Mansi.
Ma'am,
Then, Vardhana,
then we
where are you? Yes, Mansi.
then we have Then my father has taken my mommy to his house because she was not well, and then me and my mother has made some flowers because I was not able to make the flowers that time. And then we
Right?
slept.
Okay, fine. So you had a busy day and had lots of fun yesterday. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Vardhan,
Yes, ma'am.
what did you do yesterday? Anything interesting?
Ma'am, not something interesting.
But what else you did?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, at first I woke up on on 9 a.m.
At
and at
when you
9
talk
a.m.
about time, you use the word at, okay? And at first is not required. Just say yesterday I woke up at around this. If you're not sure about the time, you can use around. Okay? That means that you woke up near to that time. You're not exactly sure what was the time actually. Alright?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Then
I woke up at around 9, and then I first drank lemon hot water and brushed my teeth. Then,
hot
then
water, okay? Hot will come first.
okay, ma'am. And then I and and
Then
then
what
I
did you do?
and then I attended and then I take bath, and then I
I took
attended
them.
and then I attended English class, English
Okay.
communication
What about
class.
fitness class? You missed the fitness class yesterday.
No, ma'am, I can't attend fitness class because of bad network. Ma'am, ma'am, because my father always closed the network at night. And ma'am, when we switch on, ma'am, the network is not very good. And I again and again disconnect from the meeting.
Okay, fine. Then
Ma'am, I think it's raining outside.
I'm in my room. I'm not able to see right now, Krishna. But it may have started raining. The clouds were very heavy in the morning.
May I continue?
Okay, so after the communication class, what did you do?
Ma'am, after communication class, ma'am, I did exercise for 1.5 or 1 hour, and then I ate my breakfast.
What did you have for breakfast?
Ma'am, I have ma'am, I have milk and chocos.
Okay, that's healthy. Do you take any fruits in the morning?
No, ma'am, but in one day I have to take one banana. I
Okay,
can
so
take
you
it
eat
anytime.
banana every day. That is also good. These days you are getting mangoes also. You
Ma'am, I
don't have
don't like to.
mangoes.
No, ma'am, I have, ma'am, but I don't like to eat.
You don't
I
like
like mango.
mangoes.
Yes, ma'am.
I like mango very much.
Actually,
Ma'am, who didn't
the
learn?
first person who told me that I don't like eating mangoes. Okay. Then after that, what did you do? Did you have your lunch?
No, ma'am, I had my lunch at 4 or 5
So
p.m.
late.
Yes, ma'am, because
So what did you have in your lunch yesterday?
Ma'am, I have the dal chawal and one roti.
Had. I had.
I had.
Okay, then in the evening, what did you do?
Then in the evening, I did the puja that I told that my mother and my two sisters and me do. They do every day. And
Okay, so you prayed in the evening.
yes, ma'am. And then
All right, that is good.
after puja, after prayer, after doing prayer, I gone for doing my homework, and then at
So where did you
around,
go for doing your homework?
ma'am, what?
Where did you go to do your homework?
Ma'am, I can't understand.
You said that I go to do my homework, right? So where do you have to go? You have to be in your home only,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So you will say that I did my homework after I finished praying to God.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So which subject's homework you finished yesterday?
Ma'am, I finished physics.
Okay, that's good. So after
And-
that, what did you do after you finished your homework?
Ma'am, after I finished my homework, near around 10, 10 or 10:30, I ate my lunch. I ate my dinner. I ate my
Okay.
dinner and saw and seen the TV for half an hour or 1 hour.
Okay.
And
So what did you watch in the television?
ma'am, what?
What did you watch in the television?
Ma'am, I watched a movie.
Okay. Which movie? So only for 1 hour you watched a movie. Half of the movie
No,
you
ma'am,
watched
I
all.
have finished. Ma'am, I have watched only half an hour, half movie.
Okay. So which movie it was?
Ma'am, it was.
Yes, it was.
Ma'am, I forgot the name.
Very nice. Half the movie you saw and you forgot the name of the movie. Okay, fine. Try to have your dinner early, okay?
Okay.
Eating dinner too late will get, your stomach upset. The food will not be digested properly. I think Amrita ma'am can, explain it better. Amrita ma'am, is it okay to have dinner at 10:30?
No, ma'am. We should always take dinner before 9 p.m. We should not have anything after 9 p.m. We should not have, because that's not good for our health. Food takes a lot of time to get digested and then absorbed properly, and then to ingest the waste material outside our body. Right? It takes proper time. Okay, so from today onwards, everybody will have the dinner at 9 or before 9. Okay, and you should have lesser meals. Okay, at night, eat less. Okay, eat whatever you want to eat in morning, in afternoon, but not during the night hours. Okay, you should have less food. Okay, everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you wake up in the morning without brushing your teeth. Without brushing your teeth, you should have water, lukewarm water. Okay, without brushing. Why? Because the saliva in our mouth, when it reaches our stomach, okay, which enzyme is formed? Someone tell. Class 7.
Ma'am, in our saliva, ma'am, salivary amylase.
Yeah, salivary amylase. It helps in digestion. When it reaches our stomach, it helps in digestion. It helps us to get freshened up properly. We don't face the problem of constipation, right? So whenever we get up in the morning, we should have lukewarm water without brushing. Clear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, my mother gives the food according to the activity. What we do.
According to the activity, which activity?
Daily routine.
Yeah, that's good. She's your mother. She knows what's good for your health. She gives you accordingly, but you should have it at 9 or before 9, okay? Okay, beta?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Chalo.
ma'am.
Okay, so I guess Aryan is left. Aryan,
Yes.
what did you do
Yes, ma'am.
yesterday? After the class, start from after the class. I know morning schedules. Everyone has told me.
After the
After the
class,
class, what did you do?
after the class, I do my holiday homework of maths.
Okay.
Then I had my lunch at 2 p.m. Then
Okay, what did
I
you
was
eat in your lunch?
ma'am dal, chawal and karela.
Okay. What do you call Karela in English? I've forgotten. Bitter root.
No, I don't.
Ma'am, because God.
Bitter gourd. Oh,
What?
yes,
That's
bitter.
not- What do we call what?
Karela.
Ah, bitter.
Bitter gourd. Okay.
Bitter.
I just remembered bitter. I was not getting the, last word. Okay, then after that,
Then I watched the movie
which movie you watched?
Evil, Evil Dead.
Evil Dead. It's a horror movie, right?
Yes.
Okay, then after that,
Evil Dead is a very old.
it is a very
Good movie.
You know?
It is very horror.
okay. So you'll not say it is very horror. It is a scary movie. Okay, or the movie is very frightening. Yeah, horror is a kind of movie. It tells you what is the kind of that movie. But when you talk actually about the movie, you'll say it was very scary or it made me frightened or something like that. Okay. Don't use the word horror.
Okay, ma'am.
So what's the, can you tell me a small gist of the story? What's there in the movie actually?
Ma'am, I remember the last scene.
Okay, what was the scene?
At last, after during blood rain night.
Okay, so you need to, elaborate it so that I can imagine what was actually happening in the last scene.
When the girl in which the ghost was The girl was possessed by the ghost.
Okay, yeah.
The friends have, ma'am, what we said, the banana in English.
What, beta? Which word?
Ma'am, the banana.
Buried. Bury. Okay. When somebody dies, you bury them in the soil. The past tense is buried.
Then their friends have buried her inside the soil. After
In
some
the soil.
time, in the soil. After some time, their friends have taken out from the soil
The
and
friends
trying,
again took her out of the soil.
yes, ma'am, and trying to woke up that girl, but
And
when
they were
they
trying to wake her up. They were trying to wake her up.
wake her up.
Okay, so was she dead when they buried her or she was still alive?
Ma'am, she was possessed by the ghost.
So how were they able to bury her if she was possessed? You know, when a person is possessed by ghosts, they start doing strange things.
Ma'am, the girl has killed her friend. Ma'am, the house in which they are living, she has lost that house.
Okay, she has burned that house. Okay, not blast,
Burned that
burned.
house. Burned that house.
Okay, so when they took her out of the soil, then what happened?
Then blood rain start. The raining
Okay, it
start, but it
started
was
raining.
very,
Instead of water, it was blood.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, then what happened after that?
Then the girl which was possessed by the
Who
ghost
was
wake up.
the girl
The
who
girl
was?
who was possessed by the ghost woke, woke up, and there was one girl left and trying to kill her.
Okay, so now there are
But
two girls. One is possessed and the other is trying to kill her.
yes, no, ma'am. The girl who is possessed is trying to kill another girl.
Okay, she is trying to kill her friend. Okay, then
Then her one hand is, ma'am, what we say cut jana in English. हाथ कट गया.
her hand was cut. You don't have any other word for cut.
Her one hand is cut by
One of her hands, we'll say one of her hands was cut. Okay,
cut, and then the girl who is not possessed, मैम जिससे पेड़ काटते हैं मशीन जो होती है उसे क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में?
it's a chainsaw.
यस,
It's a saw, and around the saw there is a chain that keeps on moving. Okay, so it's called a
yes,
chainsaw.
ma'am. And with the help of chainsaw, the girl has cut the possessed girl into two parts.
Oh my God, I'm not getting a very good imagination out of it. Okay, then what happened? Finish it fast.
Ma'am, then the ghost has gone.
No, ma'am.
The girl died in the end, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The possessed one. Okay.
Yes.
How do you people watch such movies, huh? Okay. So after watching the movie, what did you do?
Ma'am, I slept for some time.
Okay. You had a
When I
nap.
woke up
When you go to sleep in the afternoon, you call it a nap. I took a nap.
I took a nap after that.
What is the meaning of
when
nap, Krishna? Krishna?
Ma'am, half an hour sleep.
Yes, to sleep for a short duration or short time period. Okay, say 1 hour or 1.5 hours.
Ma'am,
So that is a
siesta.
nap. Yes, Vedant, what were you saying?
Ma'am, we can
Siesta.
also say siesta.
Okay. All right. So, should we start today's activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, children, you have enough practice in describing things, right? We have been describing a lot of things in the past few days. So, now today, I want you people to describe incidents where you felt a particular emotion. Okay. I'll be naming an emotion. Try to think of something, some incident or a time when something happened that made you feel that particular emotion. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
So the first emotion is going to be. See, I am feeling scared after listening to Aryan's, that story. So the first emotion is going to be scared. Think of an incident that happened that made you very scared. You were scared of somebody or something or some movie or where you were. Why did you get scared? Who scared you? And what did you do when you got scared? Any one time.
Can I?
Yes, Anya?
Ma'am, I was scared when I saw the movie Booth. Scared when I saw the movie Booth.
Okay.
was part 1.
And what happened in that
Yeah.
movie that got you so scared? What did you see in that
The
movie?
haunted ship.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please don't ask again.
Yes, ma'am.
Anya, the
See,
haunted ship.
this is, you will all feel happy after sharing.
Yes, ma'am.
The best part of this activity is everyone gets a laugh out of it. That particular moment you must be very scared, but now because
Because
scared
it is
and
so
scary,
scary.
you'll feel happy about it. That is the best part of sharing. That you always feel happy. So Anya, what did you see that got you so scared? And what did you do? What do you do when you get scared?
My pillow on my face. That's the first thing that we can.
Okay. So did you scream?
Yes. Ma'am, I've been
And
seeing.
who all were there with you when you screamed?
Yes, ma'am. What
You were watching the movie alone or with the family?
We were watching it alone.
You were watching alone, okay. So nobody heard you scream.
No, ma'am. I was not shouting. My mother is sleeping. Ma'am, I've seen that movie at afternoon because my mother was also taking the evening nap. My grandmother and my
Anya,
babies
who
also.
was part 1. The
Yeah.
haunted
Just
ship.
a nap, okay? Not evening or afternoon.
not
Just nap is
scary.
okay.
Okay.
Yes, Aryan has a lot of experience in watching horror movies. Yes,
Yes,
Aryan?
ma'am.
Ma'am, but Aaron,
When the
but
So
ma'am, but
The
Aaron,
part
Aryan, you
one.
did not get scared when you were watching that movie.
No, ma'am. It was not
no,
so scary.
I never scared.
Okay. Mansi, when did you get scared?
Ma'am, I scared lots of times.
You get scared a lot of times. Okay. Think of any one time. Till then, we are going to go to Krishna. Krishna, when were you scared?
Ma'am, I also watched that good movie of Vicky Kaushal. Ma'am, part 1 Haunted Ship.
I
Ma'am,
think I have seen your promo. Is it there on that Prime, no?
Yes,
Prime
ma'am.
Video. Yes, ma'am. Prime.
Yes, I think I have, saw the picture of that. I've seen it.
This movie is really
But I
scary.
haven't watched the actual movie.
It is actually scary.
I'm very
I was, ma'am, I was scared in one scene.
Which scene?
Ma'am, in which the Vicky Kaushal has went to the ship in night or when he went into the ship at night and the
When he
girl
went
was
through the ship, okay, not into. You cannot go into the ship. Ship is not a liquid. All right. He went to the ship,
he went to the
and
ship
then what happened?
in the morning when in the morning when his friend came to the ship. Then the girl who was possessed by his father, real father's ghost,
Okay, the father possesses the girl.
she, yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Then the girl was walking, ma'am, turning on the ma'am, what corridor of the ship.
okay, that must be
Then
scary.
suddenly his friend came and saved Vicky Kaushal.
Okay.
Ma'am, I was also scared in this.
They did not have any option, so they jumped in the water.
Yes,
Okay.
Ma'am, she was running on that wall.
So she was running on the wall.
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
I mean,
ma'am.
upper deck.
So all of you have seen the movie.
Prachi ma'am,
Yes, Amrita ma'am.
why are you listening to such horrifying things?
I'm having fun. I cannot watch. I can always listen.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I have
madam.
not seen.
Ma'am, I was scared in the night. Ma'am, I don't
It
remember
was
the
not
name.
only a horror movie, you know. I asked you any incident, so it is not necessary. It has to be a movie only. You can be scared in a classroom also, in a park also, at your house also, while playing with your cousins or friends. It can be any incident.
I-
Okay.
Any
I
animal
had one
insect
incident
can
with my
scare.
friend.
Okay, Aryan. Yes, narrate it.
Ma'am, when I was playing with my friend in the in the park,
Okay.
my one friend, his name is Shivansh.
One of my
Not
friends,
good
not
one.
my one friend. Okay, one of my friends, one of her arm,
One of my
one of something.
Shivansh.
Okay.
Shivansh.
Is it the same Shivansh from the class?
When no ma'am,
A different one. Okay, then.
different. Ma'am, when he go to his home for drinking water,
He went to his
he
home for
does not
drinking
came back.
water.
He went to his home for drinking
Remember,
water.
the incident is in the past. You have to talk in the past tense.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, he does not came for 1 hour. 1 hour. Then we went to his house and asked her mother that
Mom does not.
where is Shivansh?
His mother, Pita. Shivansh is the boy. His mother.
Not does not. He did not.
Yes, he did not. Past tense. Does you use in the present tense. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, he does not
He did not.
for an hour.
He did not
came
come back.
Came
Come back.
for an hour.
But did you use the first form of the
Back.
verb?
Aaron becomes a robot while speaking in English, isn't it?
Yes,
What happens,
with the
Aaron?
robotic voice.
Aaron, what happens, Beta? Huh?
Nothing.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Do you get nervous or what?
Trying so hard that he becomes a robot.
Hindi, you people speak Hindi so fluently, isn't it? The same emotions you have to express in English, right?
And you know, you can put emotions in your voice also. It is not necessary that you have to say it like a, you know, a TV reporter. No, you can put expressions in your voice. You can smile, you can laugh, you can, you know, raise the pitch of your voice, change it.
Acha, how many of you are scared of lizards, cockroaches, monkeys, dogs? When a monkey, when a monkey
Ma'am,
approaches you, are you scared?
Ma'am, bulldogs and honeybees.
Ma'am, I have to share my dog incident only.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so Mansi will share a dog incident. Enough of horror movies now.
Oh yeah, Aryan, have you finished? Aryan,
So Aryan, what happened? Your phone did not come back for an hour. Then what happened?
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am.
ma'am, then we went.
Wait, let Aryan finish. Then we'll listen to you.
yes, continue.
Yes,
we
Aryan,
asked-
continue.
Ma'am, when we asked from his mother that where is Shivansh, ma'am, his mother was telling that he is sleeping and he did not came to the park.
He did not come to the park.
He did not come to the park,
So you were scared.
but he was playing with us.
Okay,
Ma'am,
so
but
you
he
were
was
scared.
playing with us. No, ma'am.
Huh?
Okay, so earlier he was with you, he was playing with you, then he went to his house, and when you have gone to ask his mother, she said that he did not go to the park.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Am I getting it right?
Yes,
So he must have hid from his mother, you know. He must not have told his mother that he went out for playing.
ma'am. His whole family was saying that he did not come to the park.
Okay,
You must have played with the ghost.
it happens many times. It happens. Many children don't tell. Okay? They just move out. They come back and they sleep. They go to their room. So how will you make out whether the person was there or not? Isn't it?
Yes, it may not happen. The family must have been sleeping or busy doing something else, and he must have moved out to the park to play with you. Right? Okay, fine. Yes, Nancy, now, what's your incident?
No, I think it's
Now we come to you. We'll come to you. Let Nancy talk first.
Ma'am, I was moving in my road with my maid, Lali auntie, and she has some work from me, so I need to go with her. And then when I was coming to my home, one dog is very black and big. He usually used to bark on me when I moved.
Now, Beta, when you talk about animals, you use the word it. Don't use he or she, okay? Use it.
Okay, ma'am. It usually used to bark on me, and I
Barks at you, okay? Don't use used to. It barks at you. It usually barks at me.
it usually barks at me,
Okay, and
and I was very scared. But my Lali auntie was very cunning. She left me in the behind road and said that you go very near from that chora. What we saying choraha in English?
where usually? We call it a square, or there is no proper word for choraha. You can call it a crossing.
Okay, ma'am. Crossing, near the crossing. And she said that your home is just up 10 steps near the crossing. And when I was going, it started barking me, and I was really scared. I ran off, and he was running.
Barking me. Started barking me.
Barking at me, okay?
Me, beta.
Started barking at me, and I was running, and he was running behind me. But he just catches my leg, and that
Dog was Mansi. The dog
Yes.
was after me.
Okay, mom. The dog was after me, and he just catches my leg. That when he catches my leg, that time was
Not catches, Mansi. Not catches. When do you use catches? ES form of verb. When do you use?
catch.
What?
Cat
What do you
becomes
use?
not in the past tense.
What do you use in past tense? Come on, tell.
Catched.
Catched.
He
Yeah.
catched.
No,
He catched my leg, and
that is not the word, Nancy. It's caught.
Caught.
Okay. Catch, caught, caught.
he caught my leg, and that time was really scary when he caught my leg.
So did he bit you?
No, ma'am, I was running so fast. He just caught my leg, and I run. He was not able to.
Okay, so you got over all this.
Yeah, ma'am, I was running in that speed that I came to the flat area, and I was crying near one house. One auntie gave me a glass of water.
One auntie gave me.
One auntie gave me a glass of water.
Okay.
Okay. So you are scared of
Now we
birds.
can conclude that Mansi can run.
Very fast.
How much can she run? Come on, tell. She can run even faster than the dog.
Everyone can.
Mansi.
Yes,
everyone
ma'am, I don't know how I was running so fast that day. I cannot run faster than dog, but that day I was running so fast that he could catch me.
Happens in life that,
Not everyone can run fast to save his life.
yeah, when your life is at,
Ma'am, at that time, everyone is athletic.
yeah, when your life is at stake, whatever you can to save your life.
Ma'am, it is you in our colony. It is used to say that dog is that dog is very scary dog, and he bites snakes.
Okay, I would like to ask one thing. We have studied health and diseases
Dog.
in class 6, Mansi. So I
Yes,
will
ma'am.
relate a little bit. Which disease do we get when when the dog bites? Which
Ma'am,
disease?
rabies. Ma'am, rabies.
Okay, so Vardhan is right.
Ma'am, there are two black scare dogs in my university.
Okay. So rabies is what type of disease? Is it a viral, bacterial, protozoan? Come on. Who will tell which type of disease is rabies? Nobody? Okay, today it's your homework. You'll search out on rabies. Clear?
Excuse me. Then I can tell my scary incident.
Ma'am, is it a virus? Is it
Yeah,
a
it's a
type of...
virus.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Krishna, you can share your experience.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I also watched that movie, Bhoot, the Haunted Ship. Ma'am, at that time, ma'am, in the night, I had a very bad dream. Ma'am, I don't remember, ma'am, but it was very horror and bad dream. Ma'am, I woke up so wildly. Ma'am, that time I was very much scared. And ma'am, then my mother also woke up, and ma'am tell me that there is no such type of room doll.
He woke up and told me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And then she given glass of water. Yes, ma'am. They like this.
She gave me a glass of water. Not gave me. Okay.
Ma'am, she said that there is no booth and it's haunted ships. Ma'am, if we will leave this house, it will also become bare like that ship. And ma'am, if we not clean it, then also it will become like this.
Yeah. It happens sometimes. It happens. When the paint and all is disturbed on your wall, sometimes what happens? You start imagining things. That this is a cloud, this is a ghost. Isn't it? It happens or not?
Yes, ma'am.
It happens sometimes. When I was in class 9th or 10th, I read the story of this thought. This a person imagines by looking at the wall all the time. This wall was improper, the paint was not good, and it was all distorted. So he used to imagine things and he used to get horrified. Okay, who else is left to share the experience?
Ma'am,
I think everyone. Yes, Vardhan.
Vardhan?
Ma'am, firstly, I was scared when I saw the movie Veronica.
Again, the
Veronica.
उससे पहले you were never scared.
And ma'am, I was scared many times, but ma'am, I was not scared that much when I saw Veronica.
Okay, continue. Continue. How you were scared? Come on, tell.
Ma'am, in that scene, ma'am, in Veronica, I was scared very much. Ma'am, that night I was not able to sleep alone, and I slept with my mother.
Slept with your
Mother.
mother.
And ma'am, when I saw Veronica, ma'am, I was on a trip to Shillong and Cherrapunji and Guwahati.
Oh my God. So dense forest there.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, there was a scene in Veronica that was very scary, and because of that scene only, I can't sleep.
It happened with me also. The same story happened with me also, Vardhan. Then, anybody left?
I think everyone
Are
has
you
shared
not
it.
afraid of lizards?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay.
Ma'am, not at all.
Not like that. Not like that much. That if the lizard is moving here and there, so I will running off and not like that. But if somebody took the lizard and threw in my shoulder, then I will be scared.
No. If you want to use washroom and there is lizard in washroom, what will you do?
Ma'am, I'm not scared of lizard at all.
Oh my God, that's great. I am so much afraid of lizards.
Ma'am, I was not scared with lizard, cockroach.
I hate lizards.
Ma'am, my didi and my didi is scared of lizard very much. Ma'am, that's why one night one night, one day I have gone to my nanny's house. Ma'am, on that night, ma'am, in our room, lizard has came. Ma'am, I and my didi, ma'am, ma'am, English में क्या कहेंगे?
My sister, what Didi? What are you asking?
Ma'am, what we say bagana in English?
Get rid of?
Ma'am, ma'am, I can leave. Ma'am, can I leave?
Yes, you can leave.
What can we say? Bhagana in English, Prachi ma'am? Bhagana in English? To get rid of.
Rushed. Okay, but you can also say that we scared the lizard away.
I
That means we tried to scare the lizard and the lizard ran away.
Ma'am, on that night, ma'am, my didi ma'am, I have two elder sister. Ma'am, my elder sister is scared of lizard very much. Ma'am, that's why I and my another didi, ma'am, we scared the lizard that night.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I want to tell the incident of our school. Might be Aaron knows that incident of snake, drum, and two children, drum and snake. Did you remember, Aaron?
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, actually that was not really scary, but that was really the incident which was happening in our school.